Hello and welcome everybody, I'm the GamePro232 and I'm here to show you how to make a very, very useful thing in Terraria. The Iron Skin Potion. This is a very useful thing for fighting bosses in any mode, hard mode or normal mode. It doesn't really matter, but it's really great because I'll show you. You will need a bottled water, one day bloom, and one iron ore to make one iron skin potion. To get a bottled water, you will need one glass to make 2 bottles on a furnace. To fill those bottles with water, you stand in water any deep, and you can craft it in the potions section. Then to get a day bloom, you don't make it. To get a day bloom, you swing your sword across the normal green biome and iron ore. I think we all know how to get that. You dig it out of the ground. It's very simple. You just dig it and don't smelt it, and then you can make it. Iron Skin Potion. Consumable. Increases defense by 8 and 5-minute duration. The 8 defense increase is what's so great about this. And you make it on an alchemy station. To make an alchemy station, you place a bottle, an empty bottle, to be exact, on a workbench. So let's see how much damage I take from this illuminate slime without the iron skin potion. So far I've seen in the 20s. I think it was in the 20s for that. And let's find another one. Dang, there's a lot of green slimes. So there's pixies. So right there I only took 2 damage. Okay. Wow. Okay, so now I'm only in the teens of damage. Lowest being 13 so far. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you really enjoyed it, please be sure to subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell button to become part of my notification squad. This has been the GamePro232, and I'm out.